In this video, I will share how to remove background and add new background on CapCut for PC. If you have recorded a video and want to change the background, you can use the Smart Cutout feature of CapCut to replace the background. First, import the video containing people. Click the plus sign in the lower right corner, and add it to the time track. Click on the cutout in the upper right corner. Click Auto Cutout. This removes the background from the video. Only one person remains in the video after the background is automatically removed. These options are to extract the edge of the person. This edge is relatively wide, and then this edge will be finer. It extracts the edge on one side, delineating the edge of the person with dashed lines. We usually choose none. If the main character of the video is not a person, but an animal or a building, CapCut has a hard time removing its background and extracting just its main characters. Here we click on Auto Cutout, and then compare it with the original video. You can see that while removing the background, half of the cat's body is also cropped. You need to use second method. We open the CapCut homepage and click on the magic tools on the left side. Then find Remove Background. Here you can upload the video prepared to remove the background. We uploaded the cat video that was just played. When I upload the video file to this web page, it will automatically remove the background. We can see that it automatically removed the background, leaving only the lying cat, and the entire background became a solid color. Now we need to adjust its background color here. Click on Background Color. Then choose Green. Darken the green color. Click on Export in the top right corner next. Export options will pop up, then click Export. Export the video and wait for a bit. Then click Download. Download is now complete. Import the downloaded video, delete the two videos from before. Then drag the cat video with green background to the time track. Next, click on Cutout. Click on Chroma Key. Click on Color Picker. After that, we select the green color. Adjust its strength. Since the edges of the cat's body are also green, if the strength is too low, the green cannot be completely removed. If the strength is too high, it will also remove a bit of the edges of the cat's body. We adjust the strength to the maximum. Then add a landscape video as the new background. Drag this video over here, where the requirement is that this background should be at the very bottom. We drag the layers of the people video and the cat video above the landscape video layer. Let's play it. The original background of the characters and the cat has been replaced with a landscape.